Welcome back, ice dancers of YouTube. The Choctaw in the blues, well, it's enough to make anyone sing the blues sometimes. So today we're focusing especially on the entry edge to really help set up a marvelous Blues Choctaw. Let's start by understanding the pathway of the free leg. Here I'm skating it on a straight line for you to observe to get rid of any optical illusion that we get from seeing it skated on a circle. Watching carefully, we'll observe the pelvis go from facing front more and more to turn to face the side, which carries the free leg with it. In many ways, the body behaves like this weather vane, with the standing leg staying still, the hips and upper body rotating, and the free leg moving with the hips and upper body. And so to the wall, my friends. Here it's easier to rehearse the motion, taking that pelvis from facing front all the way to the side and preparing for our Choctaw. This is also a great place to practice the lean of the ankles to get the edges over, especially that outside exit edge. An exercise like this one, alternating feet and also pivoting into the circle, really helps to develop symmetry in our skating skills, and we're going to go over that one more time. So we stroke, then we pivot, and then we collect all the body parts ready for the next curve, starting in a good basic forward inside edge position. We pivot weather vane style into the circle, and the free leg travels out of the circle, and we team the switching of the upper body check and the closure of the free leg to prepare for our next curve. We hope you've enjoyed our first part of Blues Choctaw technique, and in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and enjoy some more of the great content on our channel.